Hello everyone! We are going to learn the style, the strawberry hanging basket. It consists of a base, a lid, leaves, strawberries, and flowers. There are 5 vines on the pot. We need to crochet for strawberries and for flowers. Next, I will guide you in learning how to crochet leaves first. We will be using olive green yarn and a 2.5 millimeters crochet hook for this. Wrap the yarn. Start by making a slip knot after securing the yarn. Then, make 9 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now let's crochet the first half of the leaf. Start from the second chain stitch from the hook. We make 1 single crochet. Mark it with stitch marker. In the next stitch, make 1/2 double crochet. Great! 1/2 double crochet completed. In the next stitch, make 1 double crochet. In the next stitch, make 2 double crochet. Okay, this is the first one. Next, make 1 double crochet again in the same stitch hole. In the next stitch, make 1 double crochet. In the next stitch, make 1/2 double crochet. In the next stitch, make 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, also the last stitch, make 1 single crochet. Now we have completed the first half of the leaf. It forms a shape like this. Then we continue crocheting the next half of the leaf. Skip the first stitch and begin crocheting by making 1 single crochet into the second stitch hole. Alright, we will flip the piece over. Make 1 single crochet into this stitch. In the next stitch, make 1/2 double crochet. In the next stitch, make 1 double crochet. In the next stitch, make 2 double crochets. This is the first one. and the second one. In the next stitch, make 1 double crochet. In the next stitch, make 1/2 double crochet. In the next stitch, which is also the last stitch, make 1 single crochet. Take off the stitch marker and make slip stitch. Cut off the yarn. The leaf is complete. We can see that this is the tip of the leaf, and this is the stalk of the leaf. We need to retain the yarn tail of the leaf stalk and hide the yarn tail of the leaf top. In the end, 1 leaf is completed. We need to crochet 3 to 4 leaves for each vine. Please everyone go and complete the crocheting of this leaf on your own. See you later. Alright, we have now completed crocheting 4 leaves on 1 vine. In the next chapter, we will be learning how to crochet strawberry. If you have any problems during crocheting, please feel free to contact us via email. We will reply to you as soon as we receive it.